What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage and another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today, I'm just going to talk about something real quick. That is pesky ass weeds. One issue here, I don't have a weed barrier. All right, give it to me. Yep, that's annoying and it needs to happen. However, picking weeds by hand, like, okay, you could do this, but obviously it takes forever. What if there was a better way? And that way included something that all of us guys like, freaking flames and fire. That's right, this is a weed torch. Basically, all you gotta do is buy this bad boy. Gotta have a propane tank, so from your barbecue or whatever. Anyways, let's light this thing up and start burning some weed, baby. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. There's an on and off valve right here. So, we turn it on right there and we can crank up the output of the propane itself. The hose is a decent size, I would say approximately 10 feet. They actually make like a little cart and basket. I'll put that down in the description along with the link for this bad boy down there also, but so that you can kind of wheel this thing around. I literally just pick it up and carry it around as you would. So I recommend having some boots on, maybe some pants, I don't know. We're doing boots and shorts. Oh yeah. Anyways, it's a little hot out, so I didn't really feel like changing either to put pants on, so we're boots and shorts in it today. Let's light this bad boy up. All we got to do, open up the propane tank. Obviously we need propane, that would be good. It does come with an igniter. This is basically like something you would see with an oxyacetylene torch. Give it a little flick. Oh yeah, we flame on. So we'll crack the valve, make some flames happen. Oh yeah, flame on. Okay, and literally, this thing's blowing flames. I don't know if you can see. It's a blowtorch. And oh yeah, dude, we're flaming out. And you just start burning freaking weeds. So much better than picking weeds, because we all like fire. And it just, so satisfying. Burn some weeds. So much better too. Just burn some weeds. Yeah. All right, so that's pretty much it. You toast your whole backyard. You go to town. I'll come back with it after. But yeah, man. You can adjust the flamage right here. More flamage. Less flamage if you want to be weak, You just need a little bit. It's not that cool, but I like to go blast. And the heat coming off in here, that's why I recommend some boots. Pants would be good too, but don't do it in like tennis shoes because you're gonna flame your freaking foot off. Yeah, but look at how easy this is, right? So we've already done this little area right here. And honestly, that's why I have the headphones on. We're just going to town, just gonna listen to some music, burn some weed in the backyard, man. Just light it up, go to town, trim all this area out, and finish it up.
As you can see, this thing absolutely rips through the weeds. I'm just burning up all these weeds in the backyard. This thing kicks ass. It makes weeding the yard actually fun. Got a link down in the description, guys. Fire, fire, fire. Hit that button right there and you can pick one up. I absolutely love it. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching. Later.